Chaturdasha, Panchadasha.
Keep your elbows close to the body.
Just exhale. Moving to neck rotation. 3 sets.
Hari Om Tat Sat. Very good morning. Welcome to the class. And very auspicious day today. Let's start with the mantra, a very small Bija mantra for 7 rounds. Repeat after me. Om Durgayai Namaha.
Durgayai Namaha.
Om Dum 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 Durgayai Namaha. Om Dum Durgayai Namaha. Om Dum Durgayai Namaha. Om Dum Durgayai Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Hari Om. Hari Om. Namaskar. Very good morning. Let's start the class of Hatha Yoga. Intensive practice. Hatha is intense. Balancing the two body, sun and moon. Starting with the neck. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, head back. Two, exhale, head down. Two, inhale, head back. Three, exhale, head down. Three, inhale, head back. Four, exhale, center. 5, inhale. 5, exhale. side bending of the neck. Inhale 1. Exhale, drop your head to your right. Dropping your head to your right. Drop the head to your right. Inhale 2. Exhale 2. Drop the head to your left. Center inhale. Head to your right, exhale. Inhale center. Exhale left. Center inhale. Twisting of the neck. Exhale. Twist the neck right. Do not turn the shoulders. The shoulders are not turning. Straight. Only the neck is turning. Center inhale. Twist the neck. Exhale left. Center inhale. Right exhale. Center inhale. Left exhale. Center inhale. Last one, right exhale. Center inhale. Left exhale. Center inhale. Chin to chest exhale. Moving to neck rotation. 3 sets clockwise, 3 sets anti-clockwise. Inhaling from the right side. 1. Exhale 1. Inhale 2. Exhale 2. 3 inhale. 3 exhale. We'll change the rotation. 4 inhale. 4 exhale. 5 inhale. 5 exhale. 6 inhale. 6 exhale. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release and relaxed. So open your eyes. We have nervous system, very important system of the body. For movement, for action, for coordination, for any kind of a functions which is happening inside the body is because of nervous system. In nervous system, suppose nervous system is a family, then who are the family members? Brain and nerves and spinal cord, the vertebral column. Now, spinal cord is bunch of nerves. What these nerves will do? The nerves has to carry the message. So, it is a pathways. What this brain will do? Brain is a software. And who will connect this brain and the spinal cord to communicate to the body? It's your neck. So, neck is very important part of movement. Anytime when you start your practice, when teacher is not there, it's simple and effective. Start with your neck. Okay? Okay, starting with the shoulders. Only when you do not coordinate the brain and the body, the problems starts. So the first important thing, the movement of the neck. Shoulder is rotating. While inhaling, the shoulder is moving up. Shoulders gets down while exhaling. Mindful movement and exhale. Last one, inhale and exhale. Changing the rotation, inhale up and exhale down. 2 inhale, 2 exhale. 3 inhale, 3 exhale. 4 inhale, 4 exhale. 5 inhale, 5 exhale. Relaxed. Now, roll the shoulders back and keep your chest open. And come to a Bhujangasana hand. This is your Bhujangasana hand. Keep your elbows close to the body. Keep opening the chest. Spread the fingers wider. Holding here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhaling, Namaskara. Inhaling and open the chest. Exhale and Namaskar. 3 inhale, open the chest. Keep your elbows close to the body in Bhujangasana. Yes. 3 exhale. 4 inhale. And 4 exhale. The last one, 5 inhale. 5 exhale. Lengthen your hands forward. Now, what is chest? Who resides inside the chest? Your lungs and heart. What they do? What they do? They do the purifications inside the body. Okay, so what is the job of heart? The heart will bring the blood and it will send to lungs. What this lungs will do? They will take your oxygen and mix with blood. The moment the oxygen get mixed with blood, the purification is completed. After that, what is the job of heart? Purified blood will be transmitted anti-clockwise to different parts of the body. So blood को लेके आना और ब्लड को फिर वापस जगहों पे छोड़ना, ये काम हमारे हार्ट करते हैं. और कितने स्पीड से करते हैं? 72 times per minute. So the roll is very difficult. It cannot stop. That's why the chest opening is important. Now from here, use your right hand and sift the fingers backward. Sift your fingers backward. This will strengthen your arms. 1. Strengthen your arms, especially the lower arm. So flex the knees to strengthen your lower arm. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. सीधा रखिए हाथ को. Straighten your hands. 4 and 5. Exhaling. Point the fingers. Samana mudra. Join all the tip of the fingers. Samana mudra. And after this, press with other hand. So what you are doing? You are taking your fingers closer towards the wrist. And that's how you strengthen your upper part of your arms. Holding here. Here. You have to hold here. Yes. Niche se. Tip of the fingers together. Last 5, 4, 2, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale Come back, palms facing up towards the ceiling, and then do this. Ekam, Dve, Trini. Shift down, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Astav, Niche, keep it down. Nava, Dasa, hold. Ekadasha, Dvadasha, Trayodasha, Chaturdasha, Panchadasha, Shodasa, Saptadasha, Ashtadasha. Navadasa inhale, Vinshatahi exhale. Who resides here? The medicines. Medicines are mostly present at your joints. And what is that medicine called? Antibodies. So for your immune system, these joints are very important. Changing the side.